Okay, so marami nagsasabi na the PBA is back. Nagbabalik na daw ang PBA and PBA is fun again. It's entertaining again. Which I do agree. Totoo naman na the PBA might be back. And marami nagsasabi na ang reason kung bakit ay because the teams feel balanced. Yung mga team na usually nasa dulo, they're actually winning right now. Nale-level out yung competition, which makes the games more fun and more dynamic to watch, which I do agree. Agree ako sa ganong argument. Pero I think mostly, yung pinakamalaking factor for me kung bakit the PBA might be back because of the entertainment aspect of it. Kasi entertaining na ulit manood ng PBA di ba? Meron na ulit mga suntukan. Hindi naman sa kinokondone kung makipagsuntukan. Pero di ba, marami na ulit drama. We see Coach Chot Reyes, di ba? Post-game interviews. Coach Yeng Giao, di ba yung basurang player daw, si Glenn Cobuntin. Si Coach Chot nga, di ba? Yung we sucked like hell, di ba? We played terrible. Yung mga, tapos, you know, of course, yung mga ganong klaseng clips or ganong mga klaseng interviews, makakakuha ng engagement yan online eh. And the people will talk about the league. And they are talking about the league. Kasi, again, it's the import conference. Ang maganda kasi sa import, not only na nale-level out yung competition, like we've said kanina, pero at the same time kasi, kumbaga, mas may talent in general and mas worth it manood kasi I'd argue na import conferences are much better than all Filipino conferences. Like, kumbaga, gets ko yung prestige ng all Filipino conference. Gets ko na mahalaga yon for them kasi all Filipino yan eh. Iba yung championship sa all Filipino. Pero kasi entertainment aspect, like kung as a fan ako, as Bakits, mas enjoyable for me na experience manood ng PBA kapag import conference. Kasi mas unpredictable eh. Like for example, si Ali sa Terra Firma. Di ba sino ba nag-expect na magiging gano'n ang Terra Firma? Well, some, di ba? Baka oo. Yung iba in-expect kasi team to ng mga kumbaga, revenge na may hinanakit. Ito yung mga dinispose ng SMC. And yung first round pick ng Terra Firma nasa Ginebra. So, it would actually be funny if tong conference na to, manalo sila ng manalo and hindi maging first pick yung pick ng Ginebra. That would be so funny. Kasi, you know, yung mga former SMC to na tinapon sa Terra Firma kasi either sinukuan nila or matanda. So again, the narrative. And again, speaking of narrative, bago ako maligaw sa thought ko, yung argument ko sa hindi naman argument, pero yung point ko kumbaga sa All Filipino Cup versus import conferences, I think parang mas better if pagsamahin na nila yung commissioners and governors. Hindi mo na siguro dalawang import kasi I think mas masakit sa bulsa yon for teams. Hindi naman mura magpadala dito ng player, 'di ba? Ng import. That's why siguro nung last time na tinry nila Asian import. Pero 'di ba? I think pag dinalawa mo na kasing import, babalik ulit siya dun sa problem na yung mga mayayaman. May edge. Pero kung siguro yung isang import lang, lalabas siya sa pagalingan humanap ng import na ironically laging yung mga independent teams or yung mga like Blackwater, mga mas magaling humanap ng import instead of Marcus Lee San Miguel. San Miguel lagi naman ganyan laging mga tatlong import bago nila mahanap yung magsistick for the rest of the conference. Pero anyway, again, feeling ko kasi pag pinagsama mo na yung dalawang import conference, mas may narrative mas merong kwento, mas kumbaga magkakaroon ng full circle. Like, yung isang single round robin kasi, okay, mabilis siya, pero at the same time, pag double round robin, imagine, di ba, may rematch. Kumbaga, yung Bol versus Raynor Shine, magkikita ulit sila. Cobuntin versus Yengyao ulit. Di ba, mas fun siya, mas, kumbaga, worth it yung investment mo as fan kasi may payoff, kasi dalawang beses sila maglalaban. And maybe some might argue baka mag-benefit lang doon lalo yung mga San Miguel, mga TNT, mga Ginebra. Pero again, in terms of entertainment, I think that's more entertaining if pagsamahin na lang, double round robin, Fiesta Conference na, 'di ba? 22 games sa eliminations tapos usual playoffs. Siguro, mas mahaba na rin yung magiging pahinga kasi yung playoff time, gagawin mong isa na lang, pero doble yung eliminations. So, mas may time siguro for a gila season or practice preparation. Pero anyway, again, second point ko is entertainment. Itong basketball naman, PBA. At the end of the day, this is entertainment. People will watch if they find the players interesting or entertaining. Like Bol, diba? Si Bol, hindi pa nga nakakapaglaro, diba? Ang dami na excited. Kasi that's Bol eh. Kahit yung highlights niyan sa NBA noon, diba? Na-excite ang mga tao. I've watched Bol for a full season sa Orlando Magic. 60-70 games. And, oo, masakit siya sa ulo kasi it doesn't give any effort. Pero, at the end of the day, he was fun. Marami siyang mga plays na exciting and natuwa ako, na-excite ako and na-enjoy ko genuinely. So, for the PBA, maganda na may ball kasi yung local presence ng liga na pag-uusapan and internationally na pag-uusapan din to some extent. This is good. Na may entertainment, may word of mouth na pag-uusapan, may konting semblance of balance, 'di ba? And we see teams like Blackwater, Terra Firma starting to win na unfortunately, eventually magle-level out 'yan. I hope hindi, 'di ba? Pero realistically, 'yun yung mangyayari. Pero again, it's entertaining. So kumbaga, ikaw as fan, you enjoy watching the PBA. It's not always about the system. It's not always about the politics. May mga tao na laging ibabalik doon. Pero I think yun yung nagsisira ng enjoyment natin as fans. If we always, do that, na parang, okay, all-star kasi ganito eh. O diba? Okay, Terra Firma, 3-0, pero utusan din niya ng itaas eh. Diba? Yun yung yun yung sumisira ng fan. So parang, to me, nandito ako sa ngayon, nasa period ako na I just enjoy the games as they are. Kumbaga, if the game is good, I'll watch it. If the game is mediocre, ilalagay ko sa second monitor or ilalagay ko sa laptop, ilalagay ko lang sa may gilid, background noise. If na dumikit, I'll pay attention. Diba? If maganda yung laro, I'll watch. And, diba, at the same time, this is my job. Or maybe hindi, 'di ba? Pero 'di ba, hindi naman sa required, pero gumagawa kasi ako ng video, so I have to watch the games. Pero if I feel na hindi naman interesting yung topic or yung game, hindi ko na lang din gagawin. It's fine, 'di ba? Okay lang 'yun. So again, if the people are being entertained, people are going to watch the games. So at the end of the day, yes, it would be perfect if maayos yung systemic issue, yung politics ng PBA. Pero nung stage 1 kasi dyan, make the product good. And right now, the product has been good. And bibigyan ko sila ng credit doon. Sana, di ba, meron akong doubts about Bol kung mag-stick siya hanggang dulo. Pero I hope na mag-stick siya kasi he's genuinely good for the league. Kasi napag-uusapan siya. And yung presence niya alone, natitrigger yung mga local eh. Pinagtitripan siya eh. Di ba yung exchange nila ni Kaylan Johnson, ni Semerad. Even pag pinapanis siya ng mga local, nagiging big deal eh. Like yung Skyhawk ni Nokum sa kanya, nagiging big deal. Napag-uusapan kasi merong mga ganong level na tayo. Kung wala si Robert Upshaw III. Diba, tuwan-tuwa yung mga tao kasi 7-footer, ang laki. Diba, massive. Ang lakas sa ilalim. Pero tumitira ng 4 points, 3 out of 6 sa labas, sa 4-point area. Diba, again, another interesting archetype of a player. Magnolia, unfortunately, sila yung nasa receiving end ng kaalatan. 0-3 sila. Pero again, it's being talked about. Diba? Talked about yung struggles ng Magnolia. So, you have the narratives. You have the entertainment. You have the scuffles. You have the extracurricular stuff. You have the post-game interviews from Coach Yengyao. Diba? And you have teams na hindi laging nananalo, nagsisimulang manalo. And you have teams na sikat, either struggle or look good. Kumbaga, in general, this is a good product right now. Kumbaga, ang natin is right now. Right now, diba? Hindi naman, yun kasi yung sumisira ng fun eh. Again, if we always look at the future. Kumbaga, right now, worth it manood ng PBA. If, pag nakita ko may schedule, okay, bibigyan ko ng chance. Kumbaga, Phoenix, okay, interesting young team. na unfortunately may isang humihila pababa na player kasi anyway, again, yun yung example, di ba? Yun yung example ng sinasabi ko na pag lagi mong ibabalik sa natatanggal yung fun. Pero again, Phoenix in general, good team, di ba? Coach Charles Chu, Richie Rivero, breakout season, has been good. Di ba? Evan Nele, struggled last game pero in general, looking good si Evan Nele. And then Titan naman, ang galing ni Gilmore, di ba? And then si Coach Renzi, minsan naka-triangle, minsan naka-pang motion, minsan naka-horns, minsan 5 out. Very interesting team kasi kakaiba eh. May iba't ibang serving ng teams. But if you watch Ginebra, they play like Ginebra. If you watch San Miguel, they play San Miguel during import conference. Pero if you watch Terra Firma, kakaiba rin sila. Iba yung teams eh. Rain or Shine, iba yung timplang team nila. TNT ngayon, they don't look like TNT kasi it's all about ball right now. Diba? 37 shots per game. Very interesting kasi may variety ng teams, may variety of sino yung malakas at hindi. Sino yung mananalo or hindi. So it's an interesting watch right now and it's entertaining and it's worth our time right now. So yeah, I hope magpatuloy and PBA is in a good place. Kasi again, outside of alam yun, yung lahat na nirereklamo ng lahat, it has been good in terms of it being a product. And ako, I treat the PBA kasi or basketball as a hobby nowadays. Yes, ironic kasi kumbaga essentially hanap buhay ko. Hindi naman hanap buhay, like merong balik kasi for me. May benefit if I make content about it. Diba? Like personally, like I get to share my thoughts, etc., etc. Pero I consider it as a hobby pa din. Pero, di ba, kung ikaw may hobby ka naman, like for example ako, nagsimula akong bumuo ng Gundam. Hindi naman ako bumuo ng Gundam para sumali ng competition. Hindi naman ako nagsimulang mag-golf kasi gusto ko mag-PGA Tour. So, kumbaga, hindi naman ako nanonood ng basketball kasi gusto ko maging professional analyst sa TV. Hindi naman. Like, I just watch kasi I find it enjoyable. I find it entertaining. And I like basketball. And ito yung kumbaga, peak Filipino basketball product na mapapanood ko. Kasi tinry kong nanood ng PBL, di ko talaga trip eh.